idea kay para ang mga babae will, will not trigger the man, will not challenge the man, will not ask question, So they want this very cute, very calm, very respectful kind of woman. Di sila ganahan atong babae nga Pilipina nga mga babae nga kamao mo hawak og kanang pinuti, kamao manigpas, kamao manglagot, di sila ganahan atong bayhana. They don't like those. Mahadlok sila ato because of course they need to control the country, so they don't want a woman like that. They want a woman who never say a thing. They want a woman nga kung unsay isulti sa laki, unsay isulti nila, mo follow ra. And they want a woman that will never question their idea, their opinion, kanang sa panadira, they don't want, So gusto nila ng quiet lang ka, kalmado lang ka. Di sa ganang babae nga manghagis, no. Kalmado lang ka. They don't like woman. Di ba kita nga mga babae during pre-colonial time, did you see our outfit? We were able to show our arms. We were able to show our legs like that. But then they arrived, they want to cover us with everything. Pero unsa gibuhat nila nato before ilatang gikaveran sa atong mga sanina, atong mga body parts, they raped us. They raped women. They killed children. They burn our stuff. You see how pathetic these people? Next, education limits. Oh, what happened? What happened when they did this education limits? Because back then, man God, when the Spanish arrives, before that, we had our own writings. We had our own writings, we had our own alphabets. But then, when the Spanish arrived, they changed it into Spanish. Pero ang ilang gibuhat ato, because they don't like the Babaylan leaders, look at here, Babaylan crackdown, this is very important. Look at this. And now, because they don't like those very strong, powerful women, the Filipino women, they changed the education and only limit it to men. And kasagaran sa dato nga time back then, ang church ra, ang simbahan ra mo ay kanang nagtudlo sa sa ilahang language. So kasagaran nato nga time ang makabasa og kanang mga Latin na ilahang Latin man ning ilahang kuan sa una kanang kuan ra katurang mga pari inana. So very few ra og katong mga dato ra gyud ang pipila ra gyud nga makaeskwela.